Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free WordPress themes for beginners in 2025. These themes are fast, responsive, and super easy to use. Let's get started. The first theme is Astra. It's lightweight, very fast, and works perfectly with page builders like Elementor. Perfect for blogs, business sites, and even online stores. Second is OceanWP. It offers a lot of customization even in the free version, and it's fully compatible with WooCommerce. Great for e-commerce websites. Number 3 is Neve. It's a modern, mobile-friendly theme that loads super fast. Perfect for startups and small businesses. Next, we have GeneratePress. Known for its clean design and speed. This theme is perfect if you want a simple and minimal website. And finally, theme number 5 is Hestia. It's a stylish one-page theme, ideal for freelancers, portfolios, and creative businesses. So, these were the top 5 free WordPress themes for beginners in 2025. Astra, OceanWP, Neve, GeneratePress, and Hestia. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.